Hey friends, welcome to World Decor Idea. Dive into our elegant winter outdoor living designs for 2025, where pergolas, fences, and warm vibes transform backyards into cozy havens. Get ready for 14 stunning visualizations bursting with harmonious luxury, perfect for your dream space. Imagine stepping into this elegant winter pergola where soft sunlight dances on snow-dusted teak floors. Creamy stucco walls hug the space warmly, while vaulted cedar ceilings add cozy height. Adjustable louvers let in just enough light, framing the black metal fence with graceful teak slats. A central gas fire pit crackles invitingly, surrounded by plush taupe loungers perfect for snuggling up. Brass lanterns glow gently overhead, and potted evergreens bring fresh life. It's pure harmonious warmth, turning chilly days into magical outdoor bliss. Picture wandering this pergola extension along a frosty backyard path. Feels like a gentle hug from nature. Teak benches with cream cushions invite lazy sits, sheltered by louvered roofs. Warm beige walls and cedar beams create that seamless flow. Wall heaters glow softly against the black wrought iron fence with teak infill for privacy. Brass sconces light up vine-draped posts beautifully. Subtle snow adds charm without the bite. Kick back here and let winter worries melt away effortlessly. Envision a luxurious pergola dining spot bathed in winter sun, your tables calling. Extendable teak surface shines beside creamy stucco and cedar rafters. Black-framed views tease evergreen gardens beyond. The matte black fence with wood lattice keeps it intimate. Gas fire table warms plates and hearts alike. Cream armchairs with wool throws beg for long chats. Brass chandeliers sparkle overhead, sheer drapes fluttering softly. Gather friends, make memories under this harmonious glow. Curl up in this cozy pergola lounge where the fireplace steals the show. Snow-kissed teak deck leads to stone-clad flames dancing behind glass. Taupe sectionals piled with pillows scream comfort. Curved black metal fence blends with teak caps perfectly. Brass floor lamps cast golden hugs on creamy stucco walls. Garden views through black frames feel worlds away from cold. Potted firs add winter magic. It's your personal retreat, radiating simple, soul-soothing warmth. Sip something steamy at this pergola bar, pure winter joy in every detail. Frosty teak floors meet sleek marble tops and brass faucets. Beige stucco backsplash feels so inviting. Black metal fence hides planter boxes bursting with teak charm. Cream bar stools with wool seats hug you right. Pendant globes dangle like friendly stars. Garden windows frame the scene softly. Warm vibes chase away any chill. Mix a drink, linger longer. Climb this multi-level pergola terrace. Adventure meets luxury. Teak steps crunch lightly under snow, leading to creamy walls and layered cedar beams. Hot tub alcove steams invitingly on top. Privacy fencing in black iron and teak slats whispers seclusion. Taupe loungers wait below with brass railings gleaming. Panoramic garden views steal breaths. Natural light highlights every texture. Unwind across levels, feel the harmony unfold. Slide into this pergola with retractable glass. Winters never felt safer. Faint snow on teak deck sparkles under soft light. Stucco walls hum with heater warmth. Cedar louvers adjust for perfect glow. Black windows frame evergreens dreamily. Frosted glass fence pairs with black frames elegantly. Teak daybed drowns in cream blankets. Brass tables hold flickering candles. It's intimate bliss, wrapping you in golden comfort. Stroll this garden pergola pathway connects heart to home sweetly. Snow-dusted teak pavers guide you gently. Creamy stucco arches overhead with cedar posts. Linear gas heaters line the way warmly. Black metal fence supports teak vines gracefully. Plush benches flank for quick rests. Brass path lights twinkle like stars. Evergreen borders add timeless charm. Flow through, embrace the serene rhythm. Relax poolside in this pergola retreat. Warmth defies the frost. Teak surround crisps under light snow. Beige stucco cabana shelters louvered roofs. Steam rises from nearby pool invitingly. Sleek black fence with teak screens ensures privacy. Fire pit cozies up cream loungers. Brass towel warmers and lanterns shine. Garden views through black frames mesmerize. Dive into tranquility, let harmony heal. Host under this expansive pergola pavilion, epic winter gatherings await. Teak floors gleam softly snow-touched. Cream stucco pillars rise strong. Grand cedar beams vault high. Multiple fire features dot the space warmly. Modular taupe seats group flexibly. Hanging brass orbs light the fun. Sheer curtains dance in breeze. Matte black fence with lattice accents defines elegance. Garden panoramas inspire awe. Party on, warmth wins. Snuggle into this pergola reading nook, books and bliss collide. Frosty teak deck sets the cozy stage. Stucco niche walls feel like arms around you. Low cedar overhang shelters gently. Black metal fence backs teak shelves perfectly. Wool cream window seat overflows pillows. Brass lamp glows on open pages. Garden frames add peaceful depth. Natural sun warms words, lose yourself happily. Celebrate in this festive pergola space, winter magic sparkles. Snow-touched teak flooring welcomes all. Warm beige stucco surrounds lovingly. Robust cedar louvers filter light softly. Curved black teak fence weaves harmony. Fire table centers banquet seating plushly. Brass string lights drape festively. Evergreen garlands nod elegantly. Garden windows deepen joy. Gather close, let warmth weave tales. Breathe deep on this wellness pergola yoga terrace, pure zen in winter light. Teak platform warms underfoot, faintly frosted. Creamy stucco low walls cradle serenity. Open cedar grid above invites sky. Privacy fence bands horizontally with teak. Radiant heat flows invisibly. Bolster cushions in neutral support poses. Brass incense holders scent air. Garden views through black frames ground you. Flow freely. Harmony heals body and soul. Unwind in this sunset pergola spa alcove, ultimate harmonious escape. Teak floors heat luxuriously. Curved stucco enclosure whispers peace. Cedar louvers filter golden rays. Evergreen garden glows beyond black frames. Frosted black panels and teak accents enclose gently. Sunken hot tub bubbles invitingly. Cream loungers with wool robes beckon. Brass sconces flicker softly. Sink in. Let warmth restore your spirit. We've explored 14 gorgeous pergola setups blending teak warmth, creamy stucco, and fiery glows for ultimate winter bliss. Like if you're inspired, subscribe for more decor magic, and comment your fave design below. Let's chat.